Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Pooja Kapoor, consultant pediatric neurologist, Paras Hospital, Gurgaon, director and co-founder Continua Kids. So today, let's have a word on the importance of gut-brain axis in autism spectrum disorder children. So since ages, this has been postulated that whatever microorganisms we have in our gut are a lot responsible for our behavior which we show. And that is why our gut has also been called by some as small brain. So the hypothesis is that along with digesting our food, what we eat, these microorganisms of the gut produce certain byproducts which cause the type of behavior which we show. Now, based on this hypothesis, the studies have been done which have shown quite different microbiota or microorganisms in the gut of children who have autism spectrum disorder as compared to children who have normal behaviors. So there are few examples like Prevotella, which is quite less in children who have got autism spectrum disorder, and these differences has been replicated in various other studies. The other claim which goes against this is that they say that because our autistic children do not have diverse diet and they are picky eaters, they eat very small amount of very less variety of food. Maybe that is the reason in which because of that there is a difference of microbiota in the gut lining of these children. But whatsoever is the cause, these studies have by and time proven the difference. Now, based on this hypothesis, we have proven further to prove that this is the cause of the behavioral change. A trial which is called as fecal microbiota transfer, that is called as FMT, has been done. In this experiment, they have cleansed the gut lining of autism spectrum children by some antibiotics or things, and then they have transplanted the gut microbiomes from healthy children to these children either through enema or through juices, and then they have allowed them to flourish, and after a while they have done testing and they have found whether there was any change in the behavior after the transplantation of the healthy gut microbiome from healthy children in these autistic children. And these studies are quite promising. A few of these studies are quite promising. Although not 100% correct, all of the studies do not show the same type of result. But yes, few of the studies are replicating the results which are quite promising. And maybe in next few years, we will be quite sure of what to do and how to do, and we'll find a commercial way out how to do these FMTs. Till that time, there's a lot of videos, DIY videos, do-it-yourself video of FMT. Kindly don't follow them blindly and don't experiment on our children with autism spectrum disorder. Yes, there are other very commercial products which are available of good microbiomes, which they say if you consume orally, then they will change the microbiota of the gut, and they can help you in changing the behavior. Again, these are under a lot of studies. Few studies, yes, have proven the benefit of these commercial products, but still a lot needs to be replicated again to get it the final conclusion. I leave it to the audience whether they want to try it or not. But definitely children who have got gastrointestinal manifestation in the form of bloating, gaseous distension, or a lot of diarrhea or constipation, you can try those. What the last and the most significant thing which you can try is like you can definitely prevent constipation in our children who have got autism spectrum, because this is well believed that the more the time the fermented food stays in our gut lining, it produces toxic gases, and definitely these causes a change in the behavior of these children. So sure prevent constipation by giving high fiber diet, or maybe you can use laxative or other things to cleanse the gut lining and be clear of the gut. So by the time these research come up and the product and the results come up, stay tuned with us. We'll get you the updated guidelines on the treatment protocols with autism spectrum disorder. Thank you so much for patient hearing. Thank you so much.